This is WD-40 spray. You may be asking yourself, why is this bottle so spectacular and why am I showing you it? It's because there's two ways to spray. Either spray like this, or you have this straw you can spray through to be more precise. Okay. So you have two ways of spraying, spray or stream. So WD-40 is basically to stop squeaks, removes and protects, loosens rusted parts, frees sticky mechanisms, and drives out moisture. This particular bottle comes in 8 ounces. On the back, there's more information regarding directions and more things that WD-40 does, and any cautions. Here is do not remove straw or nozzle, so this stays in place. But the straw is nicely tucked away or flat against the can, so it really won't get in the way. I have a squeaky door, and I'm going to go spray it to show you how I use the straw piece. All right, so here's the door that leads to my laundry room. And as you can see, it's very squeaky. I'm going to take my WD-40. We're going to spray that part. Just spray this part. And we're going to spray the bottom. No more squeaking just that fast. I am highly impressed still to this day of how great WD-40 works.